Make a great choice today with the 2023 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, body color door handles, perimeter alarm, smart device integration, heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.